Okay, welcome guys. Welcome to another section of my YouTube video. Today we'll be treating how to optimize your Facebook page or Facebook business page professionally. Yes, very well. You definitely know how to do that today. Your do's and don'ts, and what you should do and what you shouldn't do. So on a very fast note, then I will just take you down to the page. So I'm very sure you're familiar with your Facebook feed. This is your Facebook personal feed. As you can see, this is your Facebook personal feed. So now let's get back to business. You can easily check out for your page. Can you see this? On the left hand side of the screen, can you see this? Or you check out for this menu icon. You click on menu icon, then you can scroll and see what pages. If you don't have a page, you can easily come down here and create what a page. But since we have a page, I will just be working on one of my pages. So you click on pages. Now definitely you can see numbers of page which I am managing, right? Yes, and I can tell you 80% of all these pages are still very active. Can you see? They are still very active. For among these pages, I will definitely be using the Afrique page because it is actually a new page, so which is yet to be optimized at all. So I'll definitely be using this for the course of the training. So now select the page you want to optimize, the Afrique fashion. So now this tells you automatically that this page is about fashion wears, yes, specifically it's fashion wears. So we create and design different kind of styles, male wears, female wears, and all other categories of fashion as well. So now you can see this is a new page. This is a new page, no post, no optimization, no any information. So which is what we want to do. Now first you should ask yourself, what is optimization, or what is Facebook page optimization? In just one word, what is optimization? Optimization is said to be the input of the normal building of the normal information you need to have on your social media pages, on your social media handles, be it on Facebook, Instagram, also your website. Optimizing your images for fast response of loading your website, then also for your social media, as it makes your search work more faster, and also let people recognize you faster than you think. Yes, all these optimizations, people feel like it's nothing important, but optimization is very, very important. And the truth you need to know about optimization is that it never stops. Yes, optimization never stops. You can only edit and upgrade it from time to time. So now first I'll take you up down here to what? Let's change this. You're changing the profile photo of your page. So I'm clicking on edit profile photo, upload a photo, then I'm going to where I have my logo. Okay, so under the Afrique, I have it here. Now this is my logo, right? Then click open. The logo is trying to load now. Alright, now have you seen my logo? Can you see this? And I can decide to zoom out or zoom in. So now I just have this exactly where I want to. Then click on what? Save. So now this fashion, this logo here has to do with African pattern. You can see, so this, my logo is speaking already for this particular what page. As you can see, it is speaking for the particular what page. And same thing applicable here. I have to work on my what cover photo. Now I used to tell, whenever you're optimizing your page or your business page, whatever, you have to make sure you optimize it that it will be SEO friendly. You can make sure you rename your image to whatever name you are using for your page that goes in line with what you are doing. Do you understand? This helps you on your SEO also. So click on this. I'm still going to use this to what, do a background, do a cover photo, because I'm yet to actually design one for this page. So definitely I will do that, but I'm just going to fix this up for this tutorial now. Can you see this? So I'll what, you can drag it wherever you want it to show. So I just want this place, yes, and I click on what, save. Can you see this? Can you see this? So now, as a newbie on Facebook is going to give you guidelines of what you should do to help you optimize your pages. Can you see? They're going to give you steps and various instructions to follow, guidelines to follow to help you what, optimize your what, Facebook. Now, okay, I have my I've created a page name, I've chosen a category, I have a profile photo. Can you see this is checked? I also had a cover photo, right? So this is all done. Okay, what I have here left is what, adding a business category, the page category. So I'm just gonna do this. I have the category somewhere, so let me just go there and pick up. I have the category somewhere. Okay, let me do it this way. There, okay, can you see this is the Afrique fashion? It's coming up on Google, right? So now this is my description, which I created for now, though I'm still gonna work on it, but temporarily this is what I'm using. So the Afrique is built from African fashion dresses for both male and female to express the culture in the whole universe. Wow, sounds interesting, right? Yes, definitely. So this is the picture of what we are actually launching soon. Yes, this is a real brand we are launching soon. So for you to know, this is a real life practical. Yes, very well. So now I have done this. I'm just gonna what, and you can see it said changes have been saved, right? I'll just close this. So now can you see I have a mark all through? Then step 5, we don't have a website yet, but I'm just going to say this doesn't apply to my to my page, or I'll just say save later, though I can still go back to have access to it. Yes, very well. So yeah, I'm going to add this location. Okay, now on this point here I have 22 Coca Road. And just want to make sure it's Polaris Coca Road. Okay. Really. Okay. Can you see this? So I'm trying to fix up the address. You can see the way I'm doing it, right? Okay. Okay, yeah, I'm trying to reduce or just to drag the location on the map. I believe you get what I'm doing, right? Okay, though automatically it will have been dictated by itself right now. Very well, it will have been dictated. So you can just go ahead and what, save it, and you can see it as what changes has been saved also. So now it's asking me here for business hours. I can just since we'll be selling online, I can just say always open, then also add a phone number. Here I'm gonna add this up. Okay, probably let me just add this. Let me just add this. Can you see? So now link your WhatsApp. Okay, let me see this. Alright, I'm just gonna do this later. Save and finish later. Can you see this? So I'm gonna come back for that because I'm working on the WhatsApp line. So now this is done. This is also done. Yes, that's also done. Then let's see this. Alright, you have to invite 10 or more friends, right? So I can do this. Do you get that? So I'm on it. I'm just trying to mark up 10 friends. Can you see this? Can you see? Okay. Okay. Alright, so you can see the way I'm marking up, right? Okay, I think that's fine for now. Then I can send the friend request to them. So the last thing we have here is creating a welcome post. Definitely I haven't created a welcome post yet, so which I need to do. But I'm going to work on that. You should have your WhatsApp your welcome post by now. Let me show you an example of the welcome post of one I created. Let me show you. The welcome post can be like this. Yes. Okay, coming up. The welcome post can be just like this. You can see the result I got optimizing this. I'm actually building this page organically. Can you see what I did here? For save index, look at the logo, look at the cover photo, look at all the information set. Can you see their content? Yes. Can you see these are organic? Can you see the result from optimizing all necessary things I need to do? Yes, and this is helping them rank on the social media presence and also on Google search. So I'm trying to show you the welcome post. Okay, I'm trying to show you the welcome. Okay, now look at this. Look at welcome post for save index. Can you see? Can you see the welcome post for save index? Then after that, can you see the other ones? Can you see? So yes, that's an example of how to create a welcome post. Then also we need to create what? A username. This also helps your SEO rank what? More faster. So I'll say what? The Afric fashion. Can you see? The Afric fashion. So yes, this is approved. Then I'll click on create. Okay, the page isn't eligible to have a username. Yes, that's because I don't have any content and the optimization has just been done. So I'm just going to try doing this later on, but you also have to do that. Okay, so they are still asking to add more information about the Afric. Let's see. Okay, the Afric email is the Afric fashion@gmail.com. Yes, that's the Afric email. Let me just cross check. Okay, I think that's it. Yes, sure, that is it. The Afric fashion@gmail.com. Yes, very well. Then save and continue. So in fashion model, I can still add more category. Fashion stylist, design and fashion. Can you see? Fashion designer. I think we are good with that for now. Okay, they are fake. Fashion@gmail.com. So can you see that? So for now my page doesn't have a website. Okay. Alright, I think this is still gonna load up later. Let's just do this. Alright, so after then, what do we have next? Always open. Then you have service area. Your privacy, I can just do this. Facebook https:/facebook.com/privacy/explanation. Can you see your products, impression, additional information can be ignored. Well, and this is your QR code. Yes, and also you can link other accounts here. This is a price range. You can just ignore this unspecified. Then you can link your Instagram account if you have an Instagram account. But I'm yet to work on the Instagram account for the Afric, so definitely I'll be doing that today. Yes, so can you see this now? You can add other social medias to this. Yes, you can add other social medias to this. So that's how we roll. Okay, so now these are the basics optimization you need to do on your page. Now you have to come back to this right and the left hand side of your screen here and check out for your what settings. Can you see there are some things you also need to do here? Very important. Very important. Now this is the first one here. I think we have just about 3 things we need to check out here. The first one here is the fact that visitors posts. Anyone can publish to the page. Anyone can add photos and videos to your page. No, I don't want that. Okay, I can just say, okay, let me review before the post are being uploaded or published to my page, or better still, I just disable it entirely so that nobody will even try to any visitor will not even try to post on my page. Do you understand? To avoid scams and some other things. So I will just click on save changes. So after that, then you can check out for the next one. Tagging ability: allow other people to tag photos and videos published by Diafric. Okay, yes, you can tag photos and videos published by Diafric. Very well. So when you go through all these things, you will know what and what you want, what and what you don't want. Please, you really have to. So allow people and other pages to tag Diafric fashion. Okay, yes, we can allow people to tag Diafric fashion. And if you look at it on the other way around, I can just disallow it. Yes, and just disallow it. But it's fine. Anyway, it's fine for now. Later I can change up my mind. If you want your country to be restricted to just your page to be restricted to just a particular country, or you want to remove some countries, you don't want your page to show in those countries, you have to just type the country in here. The same thing applicable to your age restriction. You have to limit your page to the age restricted age level at which they can purchase your product, or maybe probably put in for your services. So mine is just totally public, so I don't need to restrict mine. Now, one of the most important thing here is the page moderation. You have to here is a situation where you can block some words that people use which can tarnish the image of your page, or at the same time your business. So words like scam, mad, crazy, words like this that they are not good for your business. Can you get that? So yes, I can just save this for now. And aside from that, yes, we are done for this. Definitely we are done for this. Now, another thing you also need to know is what your template and tabs. What kind of business are you doing? What kind of template should you be using? It's very important. So edit here and let's check for comments. Let's check for template. Now, because I want to actually have different fabrics designed for fashion and which I want to sell online, I'll just pick up shopping for this to make people be able to buy easily on my Facebook page. So I'm just going to apply this template, shopping template. Can you see this? Yes, this is done already. Then you can get a notification here. You can do your advanced messaging here. On this point here, you can share your page role. Yes, if you want to add a friend or or you just want to add your employee to your page as one of the admin or moderator, what you just need to do is type the employee username just exactly as the way he has it. Then can you see this is my second account, so you can just select it and add maybe admin, editor, moderator, advertiser, analyst. If you are adding up the person as an employee, as an admin, the person has the same authority, the same power you have over your page, so which I don't advise that. What you can just do is add the person as maybe a moderator, advertiser or something. Yes, I think that is very, very better off. You understand? So once you do that, you click on add, and Facebook requests for your password to confirm this. I'm sure that's clear enough. So that's that about that. Then okay, connecting your Instagram account. All you just need to do is still come under the settings, come down to Instagram, and you what, click on connect account. Click on connect what account, and on this end here you can see I can easily do that right here. Okay, let me just see if I can just create an Instagram account immediately right now. Okay, let's see. Okay, don't worry, I'm just gonna do that in another tutorial and upload it to you so you get notified. So make sure you subscribe to the YouTube channel so that you can get notified when the training is being dropped. So here you can connect your WhatsApp number to your Facebook. Yes, you can definitely connect your WhatsApp number to your Facebook, and Facebook will send a verification code to you, which you will have to use to verify that, and it will be integrated successfully. So aside from this, you have been done with optimizing your Facebook page professionally. I can tell you, yes, very well, I mean professionally. So all you need to do is go ahead, create content. Can you see this is reflecting already? All you need to do is go ahead, create content, and let's get the sales rocking on. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.